Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We've taken a look at this Varvatos model, V538. The color of the frame is brown. On the temples here, we have a silver detailing. At the temple tip over here, we have a Varvatos logo. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a black color, and at the top left lens we have a Varvatos emblem engraved in the lens. The style of the frame is full rim rectangular. Up here we have a Varvatos case to put your glasses in and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.